name strong women in and of itself is a title that I hold close to my heart. And I view myself as the babe with the power. Power, strength. We look at that in wrestling and we think of physical strength. We think of how tough or strong a person is physically, but it also conveys just how strong-willed a person can be, how powerful their heart is. Woman power, girl power, power to the people, black power, all these things that I view myself as I want to put out there and show and convey strength. I'm walking into this tournament representing Ring of Honor. So if I leave as champion, that's my goal, to defend the championship with honor. For Willow Nightingale, defending the championship with honor looks like happiness, showing love, showing positivity, but also kicking ass. Momo is someone who has been wrestling for a few years overseas in Japan and created quite a name for herself. But come this tournament, we're gonna be in the United States on my home turf. And as much training as she's done, as much experience as she's gotten, this is my home. And I am definitely not planning on walking away from this tournament and leaving in the first round. So she better bring her working boots. To the New Japan fans, I just want to say, get ready, guys, because Willow Nightingale is a trip. She is dynamic and fun, and also really, really strong.